Good morning, all of you. I welcome all of you in this first meeting. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes.
Mr.
Good morning.
Yes, Mr.
Before,
Yes.
okay, thank you.
Yes.
Before we start, I want to tell you one important thing. In this semester, whatever exam we are conducting, quiz, midterm or homework assignment, we will conduct through Blackboard. What you need to do is, you need to go to this Firefox and then type the Blackboard. You need to log into Blackboard. Still your names are not there. By Thursday, your names will be here. Then you can log in. After login it here, this screen will be showing. Clear? Then choose your course. You are Basic Mathematics 70, section 70. So click on section 70. The moment you will click here, this page will open. Then we'll move here, and after moving here, you can see all these things, whatever is coming here. This is Basic Mathematics course material. If you will click here, your course material will appear here, like this one. This is your course material. You will study this semester. This is course material. So what you need to do is, yesterday I sent you one email. You need to download this course material into your computer or laptop. Downloading it, taking printout of it, and whenever we have class, like we have class on Sunday, we have class on Tuesday. So when we have class, keep your material with you so that you can study. You can open page and study what I am teaching. This is your material. Understand? Another thing is, this is course outline. Course outline means what we are going to study. So this is same first 4 pages. I will tell you what we are going to study. I will tell you in the between. And this is week 1. I want to tell you, all of you, for every week, whatever I am teaching here, video lectures are available. Like this is week 1. This week lectures are available. This is week 1. Lecture 1, lecture 2. 2 lectures are here. If you click here, lecture will start. You can see video lectures here. This is extra. One I am teaching, another you can watch videos here. This is lecture 1
Excuse
video, this is
me,
lecture
sir.
2 video. And every
Sir,
week, yes please.
we can find your page.
You cannot see this page?
Yes, I can find your page in Blackboard.
Oh, Blackboard, you cannot find this?
Yes.
Because still your names are not there. When your name will be included, then you can see. It will be by Thursday. You wait for 2-3 more days. Understand?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So every week there will be a problem set, like problem set here. If you click here, you will see questions are coming. You need to solve these questions at home. If you face any difficulty in any question, next lecture, please raise your hand. Means you just type message in chat box. Teacher, question number 5, I do not understand. Then I will explain you question number 5 here. Got it? This is how we are going to use Blackboard. This is week 1. Next week, week number 2 will also join here. So similarly, we have all 15 week folders here. Week 1 folder, week 2 folder, week 3 folder, week 5 folder, like this one. And whatever lecture you want to listen, you just click on the week number, like week 1 you want to show. Okay, week 1. If you want to see this lecture 2, click on this lecture 2. The lecture 2 will start. You just see what teacher is teaching. If face difficulty, you can contact me. This is the use of Blackboard. And your quiz, your midterm, your means assignment, everything we are going to conduct through this Blackboard. So please log into every day to Blackboard so that whatever information we are giving to you, you can receive the information. This is about Blackboard. Okay, now we'll log out through the Blackboard. This is okay. Now this is the course. We'll discuss about course, how we are going to study in this semester. This name of the course is Basic Mathematics and the code is FPMA080. Clear? And in this course, there are 4 chapters. Chapter number 1 is Introduction to Arithmetic. This is chapter number 1. And my dear students, we will cover this chapter into 5 weeks. So chapter 1 we will cover in 5 weeks. Chapter number 2, linear equations and inequalities, we will cover in 3 weeks. Chapter number 3, quadratic forms and equations, we will cover in 4 weeks. And chapter number 4 and the last chapter, coordinate geometry, we will cover in 3 weeks. So my dear students, there are 4 chapters, chapter 1, 2, 3, 4. And we will cover all 4 chapters into 15 weeks. This is number 1. So this is your course material. Yesterday I sent you email, just download and take print out. Clear? This is one way. Another way is there are some other books also. Clear? These books will give you more understanding about the subject. So you can take these books from college library. These books are available in college. You can study more, you can take these books from college library. Understand?
Yes, Director.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Very good. Now we will move to the attendance part. Attendance part, I want to tell you how many weeks we have. We have 15 weeks. Clear? Every week, how many lectures we have? 2 lectures we have. So how many lectures we have in a week? Sorry, in the semester, 30 lectures we'll have. Clear? And here the student will be barred from final examination if their absence exceed 30%. If your attendance absent is 30%, you will not write final exam. What do you mean by 30%? So 30% of this is equal to 9. So I want to tell you, if you are absent in 1 lecture, 2 lecture, 3 lecture, 4 lecture, 5 lecture, 6 lecture, 7 lecture, 8 lecture and 9 lecture, no problem. Up to 9 lectures, no problem. But if you are absent in 10 lectures, then you are barred from exam. Then you cannot write final exam. So remember, out of these 30 lectures, you can absent maximum 9. If you absent in 10, no exam. Clear? This is about the attendance. So your attendance should not, attendance absence. Absence means you can absent 1 lecture to 9 lectures. But in 10 lectures, if you absent, you will be barred from exam. You cannot write the final exam. This is about attendance. You understand?
Yes, yes, Mr.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Now we
Yes.
will move to the assessment part. Assessment means how to write exam. I want to tell you there will be 5 exam total. First will be quiz 1. Quiz 1 will be from chapter 1. Clear? It will be in week 4 and date is fixed. Please remember this date, 2 November. 2 November you will have quiz 1. It will be online quiz. It will have multiple choice questions. Multiple choice question means the question will have 4 options, A, B, C, D, and one option is correct. So the quiz 1 will be on 2nd November. And how many value of quiz 1? 5 marks. It will be 5 marks for quiz 1. Then in week number 8, on 30 November, we will have mid-term test. Mid-term test will be for 25 marks. Mid-term will be for 25 marks. All the exams will be through Blackboard only. Then we'll have quiz 2. Quiz 2 in week 12. It will be on 28th December. It will be for 5 months. Then we'll have homework assignment. I will tell you what is homework assignment, but homework assignment will be from chapter 1, 2, 3. Here the contents are given. What will be in midterm, what will be in quiz 1, what will be in quiz 2, and what will be in homework assignment. Homework assignment we will give you for home. We will give you on 4th January. It will be for 15 marks. And if you read homework assignment, what is homework assignment? There will be one homework assignment that will carry 10 questions. It means in this, just wait. Okay, 30 students. In this homework assignment, we will have 10 questions. There will be 10 questions. And from chapter 1, 2, 3, we will have 10 questions from 3 chapters. Clear? And we will give you this assignment in week number 13. We will give you this assignment on 4 January. And you need to return this assignment in 1 week. That is, in week 14, you need to solve these 10 questions on A4 sheets, take photo and send it to me. Clear? That will be homework assignment. It will be from chapter 1 to 3 and it will be for 15 marks. So we will conduct 4 exams, 25 marks plus 5 marks, 30 plus 5, 35 plus 15. So these 4 will have 50 marks. And this is final exam, 50 marks. So total 100. And how many you need to pass? You need to get 50 marks in these 5 exams. All these exams except final. Final exam we do not know. But these 4 exams will be online exam and dates are fixed. Please remember, week 4, 2nd November. 2nd November means just after 20 days, you will have quiz 1. Clear? So whatever syllabus we will cover in first 3 weeks, that we will give in quiz 1. This is about quiz. One more thing I want to tell you, sometimes what happened, students do not study or study but they do not get good marks. Say out of 25, if say one student is getting 10 marks, clear, then that student will come to teacher, that teacher, I get less marks, I want to write this exam again. So I want to tell you that there is no makeup quizzes or test. You can write midterm and quiz only one time. Clear? And if you are absent, then you will get 0 marks in this. Clear? So you must be available in these dates. Please make sure you are present. Okay? So this was about how to write exam, what is the course content. Now please, if anyone having any question, please ask question. I will tell you what is the solution. Yes, please. If anyone having any problem. Everything okay?
Thank you, doctor. Thank you.
Can I start?
Yes, doctor.
Yes. Mister.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, Mr. Start.
So the first topic we are starting is chapter number 1, and the chapter number 1, the topic name is chapter name is Introduction to Arithmetic. In Introduction to Arithmetic, we will learn so many calculation related problems. Clear? Calculation related problems we are going to study here. So in this topic, first we are going to study set. First we are going to study set. What is a set? So if we want to study set, what is a set? A set. Do you know set?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. A set is a well defined
Diction.
collection of,
خطك النار teacher.
pardon, different objects. So in the set, if you will see, there are two things. What is the definition of set? A set is a well defined. This is number 1, well defined. Clear? This is number 1. What? That it is well defined. And what is number 2? Different.
Different.
So there are two things. So we will write example. So I want to tell you sets are denoted by capital letters A, B, C, D, ... These are the notation of sets. How to denote set? Set are denoted by capital letters A, B, C, D, capital A, capital B. And the objects inside are denoted by small letters A, B, C, D, like this one. Clear? So one more thing I want to tell you, there are 3 type of bracket. This is small bracket, this is middle bracket, and this is big bracket, or you can say closed bracket. So please remember, for the set we will use middle one. So if I want to write a example here of a set A equals to, if I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is this? This is a set of numbers.
Element.
Set of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I write another example, B is equal to A, E, I, O, U. What is this?
Element.
English alphabets. Do you know what is the name of these 5? A, E, I, O, U?
Element.
This is vowels. Vowels in English. Clear? So, the first one, A, is the set of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B, the set of English alphabets. This is clear. So it is well defined. Well defined means it should be of one type only. Here either numbers or English alphabet. If I write another set here, I want to ask you, it is a set or not a set? 1, 2, 3, A, B.
4.
Please tell me, this is a set or not set? Anyone? This is not a set. Why this is not a set? Because it is a mixture of two types. It is numbers here, it is English alphabets here. Clear?
Next.
So if we have two types, then it is wrong. It is wrong. Clear? Maafi.
Yes.
This is not correct. So what is a set? Set is a well defined. Remember this. It should be of one type. Like, say I want to write one set A, set of capitals.
Yes.
Set of capitals. What is the capital of Oman?
4.
Oh,
What is the capital of Oman?
Muscat.
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 Very good. What is the
Muscat.
capital of UAE?
Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi.
Yes.
Excellent. What is the capital of Qatar?
Doha.
Doha.
Excellent. You all are great students. Okay, one more thing I want to ask you. What is the capital of India?
Kerala.
Delhi.
New Delhi.
It is
New Delhi.
New Delhi or Delhi?
New Delhi.
You can write Delhi or you can write New Delhi. Very good. Excellent.
Full mark, doctor.
Pardon?
Full mark.
I do not understand what you are saying.
He said full mark.
لو
Okay.
سمحت كلمة واحد.
Okay. So this is the set of capital. So set of capital means you will find only capitals here. This capital, this capital, this capital, this capital. Like one more set, if I say set of fruits. Set of fruits. Set of fruits means one I'm writing apple. Please name another fruit.
Banana.
Banana. Excellent.
Banana.
Orange.
Orange.
Apple.
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Watermelon.
Pineapple, one student said.
Apple. Boot.
Okay, 4 sufficient. Clear? So you will find only fruits here. This is apple, banana, strawberry, pineapple. Clear? Here there is no capital. Only fruits are here. Here there is no fruit. Only capitals are here. Clear? If I say write another set C, in this I write apple. Apple is a fruit. Then I write carrot. Carrot is a fruit or something else?
Vegetables.
Something.
Orange.
Vegetable. Wow, mashallah,
Something
excellent.
else. It's not fruit.
Okay.
Banana.
And say if I write 10, if I write A, this is set or not a set?
Sad.
No.
Not a set.
No.
Not a set.
It is not a set. Why not a set? Because we are including one fruit, one vegetable, one number, one English alphabet. And
Next.
dear students, I told you it should be well defined. Well defined means it should be of one type only. It should be one type only. Clear? Okay. One more I want to write. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2. Please tell me, this is a set or not a set?
Not a set.
Why?
Not a set.
A set.
Right.
Why this is a set
Yeah,
or why this
because
is not a set?
have
Correct.
two
Look,
Because all this number.
this
number.
different. All numbers must be different. But if you will see here, these two and these two are same.
Oh,
Clear?
Ah, yes.
Yeah.
yes.
Same.
Yes.
Because same, so not a set. It is not a set. So my dear students, there are two conditions for a set. What is one condition? They must belong to one type only. Second condition is
Okay.
all must be different. If they are same, it will not be set. Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
3,
2, 3, 1.
1.
3, 1, 2.
2.
3, 2, 1.
2, 1.
Yes. Tell me. I want to tell you the sets, this one, and this one. All four sets are same set, equal set. These four sets are equal sets. Equal sets. Why equal sets? Because these have same
Number.
okay. You are saying number, so I'll write number. Same number. Because same numbers are there. So in the set, order of numbers is not considered. Order of numbers is not considered here. You write 4 here, you write 5 here, you write 6 here, you write 3 here, not a problem. But the numbers should be same. If numbers are different, they are not equal. If numbers are same, the sets are equal. Now I will write, if A is equal to 1, 2, 5, 3, 6, 9, and 4. And B I am writing it 5,
2,
9, 2, 4, 6, 1,
1.
3.
3.
I want to ask you, these two sets are equal or unequal?
Right.
Different.
Different?
Equal.
She's
Equal.
not different.
Equal.
She's like the
Look.
same.
Okay,
Same.
let us check. 1 is here. 2
Yes.
2 is
Yeah,
here.
5
5 is here. 3 is here. 6 is here. 9 is here. 4 is here. All
A
numbers
set.
are same. All numbers are
different.
same. All
Same.
All same.
numbers
Equal.
are same.
Yeah.
So A is equal to B. So
B.
both sets A and B are equal sets.
Yes.
Understand or not understand?
Yes.
Understand.
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 Okay. Now I will tell you one notation. What is the notation? Notation is first make C and make one line. Clear? This is E type. And what we do is, what is the name of this? BELONG. Belong to. What is this called? Belong to. And another notation is here, this E and cut it. This is does not belong to. These are the two notations. What is the meaning of these notations? The meaning of this notation is that means the number is in the set. The meaning of this one is the number is not in the set. Like,
Yes.
for example, A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If this is the set, then I can write 1 belong to A. What's the meaning of 1 belong to A? That this number 1 is in a set A. Here,
Like one.
one is here or not? Yes, 1 is here. Because 1 is here, so 1 belong to A. Now, 2 belong to A. 3 belong to
Belong to
A.
A.
And 4.
4.
Four belong to
A.
5. A.
Excellent.
5
5
belong to
belong to A. A.
understand?
Yes.
Now, what is the relationship between 6 and 8?
No,
Does
belong.
not belong to.
Don't belong.
Not
Don't belong
belong to A. Not belong.
Understand?
Not belong.
Yes.
Does not.
Understand, doctor.
Very good, very good.
Yes,
MashaAllah.
Understand, yes.
Excellent.
شاطر.
Yes. What is the relation between 10 and 8?
Does not
Then,
belong to
belong.
A.
belongs to
Not
A.
belong.
Not
Does
belong.
not belong.
Not
Does
belong.
Okay. Excellent. Now, another thing we are going to study. Subset. Subset means small set. The younger set of a set is subset. Look, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3. Clear? Here, if you will see 1, 2, 3, all these three numbers are here. 1, 2, 3. Clear? That means this set B is inside A. Means this set B is a part of set A. Set A is bigger set. Set B is small set, and this small set is included in set A. Clear? So subset means what? Subset means if set B is contained in A, then B is called the subset of A. It is denoted by this symbol, like this one. First make this C and draw one line. Clear? So here, because B is contained in A, so we will call B is a subset of A. What? B is a subset of A. Clear? So B is subset of A. Why B is subset of A? B is subset of A because all numbers of B are in A. Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Excellent. So A equals to, now I will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 6. Tell me, who is subset? A is subset or B is subset?
2, 1.
B subset. B sub A.
B is a subset of A because 2 here, 4 here, 6 here. Clear? Now, see. 1, 5, 6. C is a subset of B or A?
Yes.
No, B.
Yes.
C is a subset of A. Clear?
Yes.
D. 4, 6.
Yes.
Subset
D subset
A
A.
and B.
B.
D is subset A.
A and
Look,
A.
here 4,
subset B.
4,
B is subset
B
B.
and A.
6.
A and
D
4 and
subset
6.
B and A.
Yes, that's
and
what
B.
I want to know. So first is D is a subset
A
of
and
A.
B.
But 4 here, 6
Yes.
here. So D is a subset
D
of,
subset B.
B.
so
Yes,
D is
yes.
a subset of A and D is a subset of B.
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 Clear? So
B.
one more thing I want to write here. Number of subsets. Number of subsets. If A equals to 1, 2, how will you find these subsets? Total subsets. How to find? How to find total subsets. How to find? Look, my dear students.
One.
First, this is empty. Empty means no number here. No number. No number inside. Only bracket here. This is called
Okay.
No number.
null set. What is this called?
Set.
Null set.
No number.
And null set is denoted by make 0, cut it. And this is called phi.
Right.
Phi. Phi.
Right.
So phi, what do you mean by phi?
Easy.
What do you mean by
Yes.
phi? Phi means null set.
Means nothing.
Ha, yes, not element. No element. Clear? Then we will take one element.
Sorry.
Look, only one element here. One element here. There are two options. 1, 2. So we will take one time 1, another time 2. Clear? Now, how many numbers? We'll take 2 numbers. 1, 2. So first we are taking no number inside. Then we are taking one number. Then we are taking 2. Clear? So how many subsets are here?
3.
Yes.
No. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many subsets?
4.
Very good. Now we will take little big set. A equals to 1, 2, 3. Now find the subsets. First one is no number inside.
Yes. 1,
6.
1,
Then
2,
1,
2,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
3.
3.
clear? So no number, one number. 1, 2, 3.
One.
Now we'll take
4.
2 numbers.
2,
1, 2,
1, 2.
1, 2.
1,
1, 2, 3.
2,
3.
بعدين 1, 3.
6.
1, 2, 3.
1,
1, 3.
Doctor, no voice.
1, 3.
No.
1, 3.
1, 2.
9.
1, 3. 2, 3. And then final it is
3, 2.
9.
1,
3,
2,
2.
3.
1, 2, 3.
Done.
Understand?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
How many subsets are here?
3, 2.
How many subsets?
8.
Yes.
8.
1,
8.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many?
8.
8 subsets. Now I want to tell you, look, this is special and this is special. What is the special here? No number.
Yes.
No number. And what is the special here? All numbers.
All number.
So these two are special. These two are special.
Special.
Here, no number. Here, all the number. And I want to tell you, my dear friends, these two are called improper. These two are called improper subset. There are total how many? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of these 8, this set and this set are improper subset. What about these? 3 plus 3, 6. These 6 are called proper subset. So there are two type of subset, proper subset, improper subset. So remember, improper means without number and all numbers. This is improper. And what remaining, these are called proper subsets. Clear? Now I want to ask you, if A is equal to 1, 2. Clear?
Then
Please close the voice.
2,
2.
2.
1, 2.
1, 2.
1, 2. Bas, bas.
Now tell me. Yes, please close the audio. Some students are open their audios. Okay. Okay. Now tell me, this is proper or improper?
Proper.
This is
Improper.
improper.
Special.
This is improper. This is proper or improper?
Proper.
This is improper. And what about these two?
Proper.
Proper.
Number 1 and number 4 is special.
Yes, very good. You understand. Number 1 and number 4 are special. These special are improper. Rest are proper subsets. Got it?
Got it.
Got it.
Got it.
Now we'll move to the another definition. So we learn set, we learn examples, we learn subset, and then subset. This is okay. One more thing I want to tell you. What is this? What is this? These 4 are subset of A. So how will we write? We will write 5 is a subset of A. This 1 is a subset of A. 2 is a subset of A. 1, 2 is a subset of A. Understand?
Yes.
These 4 are subset of A. But my dear students, please note down here. Here it is 1, 2. And what is A? It is 1, 2. So here it is equal. But here it is not equal. Here only 2. A having 1 and 2 element. Here it is 1, 2. Clear? But here only 2. So here we will put a cut here. Not equal. Cut here. Cut here. So only 1 will be this equal when we have same number of elements. Look here. If you will see, look. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is equal. Looking or not? You can see?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And here 1, 3. 1, 3. So 2 and 4 are not here. So it is a subset. Look here. There is a little cut. Little small cut here. Clear? So
Yes.
so if it is not same, so we will cut here. If it is same, we will not cut here. This is the definition of this. Clear? These are the numbers. Okay. Now we'll move to the power set. We'll move to power set. It is the set of all subsets of A. What is saying?
Excuse me, Mr.
Please close sound. Some student have opened the sound. Thank you.
Mister, can we have a break?
We will have break just after this power set.
I will the break.
Just 5 more minutes, then we'll have break.
Okay, doctor.
Breakfast.
Okay. So
Eat breakfast.
yes, we are studying power set. What is a power set? Power set, it is the set of all subsets of A. It is the set of all subsets of A. Means, and one more thing, it is denoted by PS. It is denoted by PS. Clear? So, if A is equal to 1, 2, then what is PA? What is the subset? Look, first one is no number, then 1,
Okay.
2, then
1 2
1, 2.
بوس
So,
كبير خلاص.
PA is the set of all subset. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many subsets here? 4.
4
Clear?
Yeah.
And
4.
please note total number of subsets are 2 power n. Total number of subsets are 2 power n. 2 power n means 2 power n. So, how many numbers here? 1, 2. Clear? So,
Yeah.
2 power 2. What is the value of 2 power 2?
4.
2 power 2 means multiply 2 times. So, it is 4. So, how many subsets should be here? 4 subsets should be here. So, this is correct. One more set we will take. It is A equals to 1, 2, 3. Then PA.
PA
PA is
First one is
1
no.
أول شيء
Null set.
1,
Then
1,
1,
1
2
2, 1,
2,
2,
3
3,
3
1, 2,
2
1,
1 2 3
2, 3.
2, 3,
2 3
3, 1.
2 3
3,
1,
3,
2,
1 and 3 both are same. No need to write 3, 1. 1, 3 already there.
Yes.
And
1, 2, 3.
1 2 3
2, 3.
understand?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now count how many.
Yeah, I
Yes.
understand.
1,
8,
3, 4, 5,
5
6,
8.
6
7,
7
8.
8
How many?
8.
8.
8.
How many numbers here?
3.
3
So, number of subsets. 2 power how many?
3 3
What is the value of 2 power 3?
8.
2
8
multiply 2. How many times? 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8.
8.
8
Excellent.
8
Excellent.
Yes.
Now I will show you one question.
Yes.
Okay.
Read question number 7. Read question number 7. This one.
The total number of
Possible
subsets.
subset.
8
3
No.
C.
Yes. C is the right
C
option.
C
S is the right option. How many numbers here? 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers are here.
2, 3.
And if 3 numbers are here, how many total possible subsets? 8
8.
subsets. Here,
very easy
this is the
8
answer. 8 is the answer. So, You need to understand it. What is the option? Okay, one more question I want to tell you. Read question number 10.
Number
Which
10.
one of the following does not represent of possess?
D. D.
There are 4 options. Odd number means it is defined. Odd number means what? Odd number means A equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, like this one. These are odd numbers. Okay. Now B, capital of Arab countries. Capital of Arab countries means if we see B is equal to Muscat,
Abu Dhabi, Doha,
Doha.
Kuwait,
What is the capital of Saudi?
New Delhi,
Riyadh.
New Delhi, Riyadh.
Riyadh.
Kuwait.
Clear? Dot. We will write all the capitals here. Then option number C. Numbers less than 10. Numbers less than 10 means we will take C option. Numbers less than 10 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
No, 10 we cannot take. He's saying numbers less than 10. Less than.
Yes, yes.
Clear? Now option number 4. Delicious fruit. Option number 4 is delicious fruits.
Orange, apple, strawberry.
Now one student is saying apple. Clear? For you, apple is delicious fruit. But for me, apple is not a delicious fruit. For another student, pomegranate is the delicious fruit. But for other student, pomegranate is not a delicious fruit. So we cannot say which fruit is delicious, which fruit is not delicious. Clear? So this is not a set. This is not a set. Clear? Now one more I want to write. Set of good people. This is a set or not a set? Set of good people is a set or not?
Not a set.
It is not a set. Why this is not a set? Because for me, you are good people. But for another person, you may be good, you may not be good. So we cannot say who is good, who is not good. So this is not a set. Clear? For the set, it should be well defined. Here, set of odd numbers, well defined. Odd numbers. Set of capitals, clearly defined. Capitals. Then numbers less than 10. It was well defined. Numbers less than 10. But here, the word delicious, it is not defined. Good.
Yeah.
It is not defined. Not a set. So my dear students, now we should take break of 10 minutes. We will back at 11:15.
Okay.